So I want to talk to you a little bit today about karma. Now, I'm a Christian, go to church every Sunday, and but I still believe in karma, which is a Buddhist teaching. You can be a Christian and still believe in karma, and it depends on how you think about it. If you think of karma as a metaphysical force, so on and so forth, I don't believe in it that way. I believe in that how you live your life determines what goes around comes around in your life. So today I went to work on the pastor's mower. It was acting up, it wasn't mowing good, had to replace blades on it, no big deal. And after I got done, I had, spent about $25 on blades and whatnot. And he said, well, I'll send you a reimbursement. And I'm thinking, I don't want a reimbursement. The church needs, the pastor to have a nice yard and whatnot. And so as I was driving, I saw a garage sale. And I came across this. I almost left the garage sale. I didn't see it until the last second. I fired up my engine, was about to pull out, and I saw this truck box. It's a little worse for wear. Where are you going to find a truck box for $40? For $40, I will push this dent out. I'll tighten up the hardware. If I have to buy new latches, that's fine. And I'll spray a coat of paint on it. And it'll look like new. It'll look like a $400 truck box by the time I'm done with it. The lifts are still in really good shape. The latch system works. It may need some new seals around the edges, but that's not a big deal. And honestly, I'm not concerned. I don't plan on keeping anything in a truck box that's going to need to be sealed like that. But it's best practice, so I'll put them in. But that's karma. If I hadn't gone to work on the pastor's mower, I wouldn't have seen the garage sale. I wouldn't have got this truck box. Part of it was I was just out and about doing stuff and I was able to see it. But what got me out there to see stuff? Doing something for somebody else. So, in side news, I'm working on a speaker box to go into Roscoe. I want this to sit behind the driver's seat, or behind the seat in the cab. A speaker mounted in the middle with shelves on either side. And there would be some people who'd be upset that I didn't use MDF, and some people upset that I didn't use cabinet grade birch. This is the $36 sheet of plywood. My ears are not that good anymore. Take care of your ears. But I think it'll work fine. I've got a nice subwoofer to put in it. And so this is probably the best carpentry work I've ever done. I am not a carpenter. So the way it's gonna have to go together, I'm waiting on some parts. I need a couple speaker pass-throughs that Amazon's going to be bringing by tomorrow, and then I can put those here and run the wires to the speaker. I'm not going to be able to put the lid on it until I get everything else done, and I thought about painting it and coating it. The coatings for a speaker box, if you buy the Tecton 77 or the Duratex, you're looking at $40, and for a box this size I'd probably need a full quart, which is near $50, $60 depending on what product you get. So I've decided I'm probably just going to stain and paint this and call it good. I don't need it to look nice and professional. It's going to go in a work truck. But I do want it to sound nice. So I am sealing the box. There's wood glue in the corner. There's wood glue in the seam, and I filled the corners also. I'll do all that to this piece before I put the top on. So yeah, that's another project. I've got so many parts going together for that truck, and I still haven't even started putting them back together yet. So that should happen here soon. So that's the updates for the shop.